Stay tuned for the deets on this headband wig. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I apply and style my headband wig. So I did 2 jumbo flat twists on both sides of my hair, and now I am just pinning them up in the back to try to make it as flat as possible. So this is a headband wig that I got from an Amazon seller to review, and I will leave all the information in the description box in case you want to purchase this wig for yourself. So it came with the wig, a whip cap, some directions and instructions, and it came with a bunch of headbands. So in the inside of the wig, it comes with a few combs, and then of course the adjustable strap and the headband, which attaches with Velcro. So wigs are definitely becoming my new best friend, and these headband wigs are definitely my fave. So after you get the wig seated, then you just snap the headband in the back with the Velcro snaps, and that's it. So I did have to go in and do a little bit of adjusting to the wig cap and the headband, but once I did that, everything was good to go. So I'm just going to go in and do a little finger detangling. There was little to no shedding at all from this wig, which was a definite plus. I absolutely love the versatility of headband wigs, and I'm going to show you a few simple styles that you can do. Let me know in the comment section below which style you are feeling the most. So not only can you switch up and do different styles with the headband wig, but you can also use different headbands to give you different looks. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.